Vandalism car from Copart. She sounds good. She sounds mint, in honesty. Sometimes you win, most of the time you lose with salvage car. If you're going to buy a salvage car, this is the sort of something you're going to be looking for. We've got a winner here. Welcome back guys to my YouTube channel, Get the Job Done. Today's video is about buying a salvage vehicle that's been vandalized. So we're going to have a look and see if it's worth repairing or flipping it. Looks like I'm going to be the first person at Copart today. Back again to Wolverhampton. Oh my god, I thought I was going to be the first one. Looks like there's about 10 guys already lined up. Bloody hell. Oh, for fuck's sake. Oh my god, look at that. I thought I'd come fresh and early, 8 o'clock. There's like 10 guys here before me. I've got here 10 to 8 this morning. And it's not even opened. And you think you come a bit early sometimes. And you get a queue. Today's project is about a salvage vehicle that we bought that was vandalized. From the pictures it looked like he had a smashed windscreen and the rear quarter looked kicked in. So I'm hoping that's all it was, so it should be coming out in a minute. Guys, this vehicle was bought as vandalized. So, you know, hope the registrations are in the back. So guys, I've loaded the vehicle up, strapped it down and just have a quick look over it. Looks nice and straight everywhere. Have a look. It smells really good in here. Looks like it's been well looked after. Look in here always, and you get a book like that, you feel like yes, it makes you happier. Just look for the service book. I'll have a look at that when I get back. The keys up there. As you can see, it was smashed in on the windscreen, so you can't drive that. And it looks all straight everywhere. A few little no scratches. Yes, there's the number plates. You get a spare key with it as well. That's a bonus. So, where the damage is, guys. Here's the damage. Which when I first seen it, it looks like it doesn't look too bad, but I was a bit disappointed because it's coming to the door as well. But, you can see he's got a little dent on there too. Couldn't see that on the pictures. And on the grill looks like the bottom grill here looks like that needs replacing. So one more truth, let's try to start the car up. Hopefully the battery's not dead. It's got 67 on it, standard radio. One more truth, nope, the battery's dead. It's always the case. I have to go back and check that out. Yeah, this glass is done completely. Okay. A few little things, but you're gonna expect all of that when you get a salvage car. Water levels look fine. Oil smells okay. Plenty of oil in there. Don't have a tissue to wipe it off and check it over. I could do that when I get back. All straight down here. Just got a little problem down there, that's a bit disappointing. So guys, we're gonna head back off. and get it back, and we see if it comes up with any other surprises. Hopefully it doesn't, but what do you think, guys? Please leave a comment below. Do you think that needs a new quarter, or would that repair out? Okay guys, got it back, pulled it off the ramp. I've not got my jump pack with me, so here goes. This is the first turnover. The battery was dead. Fingers crossed, make a prayer it starts. And we're looking for this a straight sounding engine with the Golf. Engine clutch has to be down, and here we go. Oh yes, she sounds good. First impressions. Yep, chain ain't knocking or nothing. Oh, yep. So when I was looking at a picture of this car, I was looking at the interior. I did some background checks that I'm going to tell you a lot about, and check everything. No engine lights are on or nothing like that. Checked all of that on the pictures. There's that one rev. Have to take her for a drive and see what else, how else it could be, but she sounds mint, in honesty. She sounds good. I just have to take her for a drive, no smoke or nothing like that. All we gotta do now is take her for a drive and see if it's anything, any bad. No, that's just a bit of surface force, that's nothing. But on first impression, she sounds really good. Put it on the OBD, hopefully no gears or crunching or nothing like that, but it's all good right now. The car still has tax and MOT in the UK. Just wanna go have a drive, check out every gear, everything works fine. All the gears, tried it in reverse already, no signs coming up there, it's just reverse lights, there we go, heating's coming out nice, yeah, very smooth in gear. Sound system media, yeah. Drives really nice actually, kind of like newish. Up and down the road, and it drives brilliant. No knocks on the suspensions. The engine gearbox very smooth, running through all the gears, and I'm very impressed with it mechanically. It seems very well looked after. So it could have been one of those cases where you get one of these sort of cars and it starts, the engine's blown, or that the gearbox fault, or the clutch is being burnt out. I have had that before, where I thought it's the car and I've turned it on and the timing was jumping and the clutch was burnt out, but this one, it seems okay. So the back quarter, it's an old car. If you was going to get a newer one, obviously you'd want to replace this, but this is like a 10-year-old car. Could be pulled out, that door could be filled and sprayed, but some people, they may want to swap that panel. But I would say it's not worth it for such a old car. And this windscreen looks like it's not being kicked in because there's no footprints on the bonnet. Bonnet looks fine. I think somebody's had a hammer and smashed it. It must be vandalised. None of them sketchy business that you get some cars that are being put in Copart saying vandalised, but really the engine's gone, so you have to be careful for something like that. But I could say this engine's really good. It sounds brilliant. Don't see nothing majorly wrong. I've gone up and down the road on it. smells okay, all the oil levels are fine. So that's wonderful, we've got a winner here. If you're going to buy a salvage car, this is the sort of something you're going to be looking for. If you could get it around 50% margin of the estimated retail value, then you're in for a winner. But with cars, it's just about the look. With the look, sometimes you win, most of the time you lose with salvage car, in my experience anyway.